Hello everyone. Bihana Classes welcomes you all. Today we are going to study about the area of parallelogram. Now parallelogram, as you all know, it is a type of quadrilateral where the opposite sides are parallel and equal. So area of a parallelogram, it is given by base multiply height. Now in a parallelogram, what is base and what is height? Let us first discuss it. In a parallelogram, one of the side, if it is taken as base, if suppose the side is taken as base and we draw a perpendicular from the opposite side on this base, the perpendicular which is drawn, or we can say that it is the distance between the two opposite sides, that will be taken as the height. So in the same way, if you consider this as the base, then the distance between these two opposite sides will be taken as the height. So area of a parallelogram is base into height. Now let us understand why it is so. If we draw a perpendicular like this, we get two parts of the parallelogram. One is the trapezium and the other one is a triangle. Now this triangle, it is a right angled triangle. If we just move this triangle towards this side, from here, if we move it to this part, we get a rectangle in this form. Just see, we have just relocated this triangle from the right towards the left, and doing this, what happens? The parallelogram which was there, it converts into a rectangle. Now if you see here, the base of this parallelogram becomes the length of this rectangle. The base and the length of both parallelogram and rectangle is equal. Also, the height of the parallelogram becomes the breadth of the rectangle. So these two quadrilaterals, that is the parallelogram and a rectangle, they have the dimensions same. Base of the parallelogram equals to length of the rectangle, height of the parallelogram equals to breadth of the rectangle. Now we know that the area of rectangle is length multiply breadth. You have already done this, that length, the area of rectangle is length multiply breadth. Now if you compare these two, the length of the rectangle, we can replace it with the base, and the breadth of the rectangle can be replaced with height of the parallelogram. So comparing these, we get that the area of parallelogram equals to base multiply height, because we got this rectangle from the parallelogram itself just by transferring the right triangle which was taken out, cut off from here. We just moved it towards the right, left side, and we converted it into a rectangle. So area of both will be equal. Hence, the area of parallelogram having base and height will be given by base multiply height. So this is how the area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Now before leaving, don't forget to like and share the video, and also if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of the more videos, the next videos whichever will be uploaded. Thank you all. Bihana Classes will be back with more such videos based on mathematics. Till then, have a nice day all of you. Once again, thank you all.